Hi friends, now I telling you the fundamental of Rubik cube solving. It's very easy. If you want to understand this, it will be very easy for you. Okay friends, this is the 3D model of cube. Cube have 6 sides, front side, back side, and left side, right side, off side, down side. First see front side. Front side. Cube also two type moving, clockwise and anti-clockwise. See, clockwise, anti-clockwise. First F, front F, front clockwise F, anti-clockwise F universe. Every anti-clockwise universe like B anticlockwise B universe, D anticlockwise D universe, R anticlockwise R universe, U anticlockwise U universe. Same front side. This like turn F, that like turn F universe. See your front side. This like F, that like F universe. Back side B universe. Left side L universe. Right side R universe. Off side U universe. Downside D universe. D. It's middle, but middle is not a side. M universe. M universe. Okay friend, my next video plus and first layer, then second layer, after that ground layer या final layer. That time I will be use some formula and I will tell you.